Good morning, guys. Okay, got a very exciting few saws to show today, and really excited to show some of these saws. So in the background I have a couple of labours of love which have taken a huge amount of effort to get up and running, and so as one of my early jobbers and early Max, so I'm going to do an interesting head-to-head where I'm going to have Norway versus Italy, and I'm also going to show this saw, which is one of my little baby Danarms, 136 British saw. Danarm have incredible history as a company, and it's a really worthwhile read looking up Danarm and Stroud. And so the 136, these started life all made by Quadra in Canada, the engine, being used across countless models of saw. Really proven little engine, gorgeous little screamer. So the Mark III, this one has the introduction of electronic ignition, whereas before it was originally running a points and condenser setup. And she's in gorgeous condition. Can run up to, so these are 34, they're a nominal 34 cc. I think they're closer to 34 and a half, 34.4 I think. And were available from 1973 on. This is towards the tail end of their run. They made the Mark IV after this. Fitted with a gorgeous Oregon 11-inch guide bar. I don't know if the chain's sharp or not. They're tiny little things, and the chain looks in good condition. It looks relatively sharp. Oiler working, choke working. It's just a gorgeous running engine. So I'll show her cutting today for the first time on camera. Can't wait. And so I've got a real selection of firewood that's been dropped off. Shout out to SG if you watch this, much appreciated. And perfect as well for this size of saw. So starting, they don't have throttle lock, and in the original owner's manual what they suggest is, because they're relatively a small saw, is pulling the choke out, holding the throttle with the right hand, and then starting with the left hand. So, not been started for, I'm not sure, 2 weeks, but it's always been the same for starting this saw. So that's all. Choke off. guys, wow. Okay, what a beautiful saw to cut with. First time. So she's in startling condition. She really is in gorgeous, gorgeous condition. So somewhere I have not the original printed one, but an excellent copy of the original manual Danarm used to send out for this saw. So that will be provided with the saw as well. And well, she's just a gorgeous, gorgeous saw to cut with. I don't know if that was clear on the camera then, guys. When I was just going through, I hit some of this yesterday. You can never tell in old wood. I don't know if you can just see the embedded barbed wire, and the tree has kind of grown around it. So that's the third piece now I found in this batch, which has just got, well, it just destroys the chains, obviously. Anyway, I'll show quickly on a restart for anybody that's interested. So just a beautiful, beautiful piece of history. Gorgeous saw to run with. So I thought she might need sharpening. She doesn't need sharpening. She will be cleaned again within 1 inch of her life, and hopefully suitable for another collector out there. So these three are going up for sale. Another big vintage Husqvarna is coming, so I'm making a little bit of space for them. Guys, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.